One morning, baby Sam sneezed, achoo, and puff, daddy's mustache turned into cotton candy. Sweet sneezes. At breakfast, Sam sneezed again, achoo, pop, and mommy's spoon sprouted legs. Wobbly woo, my cereal's running away. Playtime got sillier, achoo, boing. Sam's teddy bear grew bouncy like a balloon. Gaga! Again! Then, uh-oh, the tickle sneeze hit the cat. Achoo, flurf. Whiskers turned into feathers. The cat sneezed back, purr-choo, and Sam's toes wiggled on their own. At bedtime, Sam felt a sneeze coming. Mommy braced herself. Chew snog. A cozy blanket hugged them all by itself. Translation, best sneeze ever.